Student, good morning. Student, today I will explain chapter 1 physical 1. Okay. Student, in this chapter all types of the definitions of the physics, all types of the concept and their relations between like quantities like force, energy and work, etc. Okay. And some types of the scientists given their concept, okay, and hypothesis. In this chapter all types of the theoretical part of the physics, basic fundamental concepts and basic rules and all types of hypotheses, basic fundamental concept given by the scientist, that's name and the area the field of the physics given in this chapter. Student, you will prepare it clearly, and this is also touched by the previous classes, previous chapters. Okay, student, today I will explain what is physics. Okay, physics, students, physics is a Greek word. Physics is a Greek word given by the Greeks. Okay, and this is given by the Greeks name as physics. Okay, physics and means nature. Means nature. It means it is related by the nature. Various types of the some intermolecular activities and all types of the concept correlated to each other. Okay, that's why this means interaction are related to the nature. Okay, physics is a study of basic laws of nature and deals with nature phenomena. It is a study of physical world and matter and time around with related concepts such as energy and force. Word physics is derived, Greek word physics. Okay, and here two principal types of approaches in physics. Okay, student, first that is unification. What is unification, student? Unification means all the collection of in the only in one fundamental concept, all the laws exist in only one area. Okay, that is called unification. Unification. Unification means this approaches consider all afterwards phenomenon as a collection of universal laws. It means collection of universal laws. Universal laws. Okay, collection of universal law. Clear? And in different domains and conditions, different domains and conditions. Domains and conditions. Situation. Okay, condition means situation. Domains means a part exists like this type. This is the domain. This is the domain part. Domain. Okay, any group, any part is called as a domain. Okay, all the domains are all the laws. Okay, collection of universal laws called unification. Okay, and like for example, as a law of gravitation applies both to a falling apple. Okay, if any body or any apple, this is like apple falling from tree. Okay, falling from tree, apple falling from tree on the earth's surface, then this is a like example law of gravitation. This is gravity. This is called gravity. Okay, due to presence of gravity, it means when any body like an apple or anything, any stone fall towards the center of earth. Okay, this is called in the gravitational field, falling in the gravitational. Some planets move around the sun. Okay, then this is also called nature phenomena. Okay, and also applied the physics. Okay, same as all the satellite moving around the planet, these are also basic fundamental concept of the physics. Okay, it means these are some situations like motion. In the motion, this is a vertical motion, and when earth moves around the sun, this is called what type motion? This is called periodic motion. Means all these type concepts related to the physics. Okay, and electromagnetism law govern all electric and magnetic phenomena. Okay. Next is that reduction. Student, reduction. These approaches is to derive properties of complex system. It means derived properties of complex system. Okay, complex system from the properties, clear, derived properties. For example, student, like a temperature, okay, interaction and also its other constituent part, okay, like example, temperature is studied under thermodynamic. Temperature T, okay, temperature in which part of the physics? Thermodynamics. Temperature in the branch of physics, thermodynamics, you will study under thermodynamics is also related to average kinetic energy, okay, average kinetic energy of molecules. It means, temperature is that physical quantity when all the molecules rise rapidly or having a high energy, then they will push to each other, move to each other, okay, at a random motion, okay, that is called transfer of energy. You will study in thermodynamics. That is called raising the energy, that is called temperature, okay. It means temperature is also related to energy. It means this is a complex type of properties also derived, then relation between energy and temperature. This is called also reduction, okay. Loss of energy is called as a loss of temperature. When any body is hot, then it means raise the kinetic energy, intermolecular force will high. Then if you will give the temperature, then intermolecular force will break down. That's why decrease the kinetic energy and loss of the temperature. These are correlated, okay. That's why all of you understood by this. It is kinetic theory of the thermodynamics, like a temperature and kinetic theory both are co-related or interrelated. Clear? I hope all of the students understood by this video, okay. Student, some scientists given some fundamentals, basic concept, okay, I will give you, okay. Then students, some scientists given the hypothesis and their basic concept, okay. These are some scientists like Maxwell. These are foreign scientists, okay. Maxwell, Planck and de Broglie, these are foreign scientists. Maxwell given the hypothesis in about electromagnetic theory, okay, electromagnetic theory, and Max Planck quantum theory, given Max Planck quantum theory, C.V. Raman effect, and de Broglie wave nature of particles, okay. Student, other type also given the various type Huygens principle, okay, and great scientist Albert Einstein given relativity, principle of relativity. Various types of the scientists given in this chapter, given their hypothesis and their fundamental concept, okay, and explained it. That's why students, you will prepare it and understood by this video. And in this chapter, this is a very short chapter, that's why you prepare it, okay. Student, I will explain next chapter, chapter 2, okay. I will give the video and this chapter completed. But if you have any problem, then you will put up any question to me and you will prepare it, because it has previous classes, some formula and theory of the physics, only basic fundamental concept of physics included in this chapter, okay. Thank you, students.